Hi guys, welcome to Khushi's Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare authentic chicken karai recipe which I have learned from one of my chef friends. If you like the recipe, then press the like button and share it more with your family, friends, relatives too. Please consider the channel Khushi's Kitchen for subscription and press the bell icon to get notified of my new upcoming cooking video recipe updates in advance. Let's start the video and quickly have a look to the ingredients which are enlisted for making this recipe. The ingredients list with detailed measurement are given here on the front page after starting the video. To make karai chicken recipe, here I have taken 500 grams of chicken, approximately cut it into 8 pieces, and wash chicken pieces thoroughly with water. Then place it in a rice strainer to remove the extra water from the chicken pieces. Now I am taking a wok, switching the gas burner on high flame, also adding sufficient quantity of oil in it. When the oil becomes heated, then I am adding sufficient quantity of sugar in it. Also I am stirring the both until the sugar becomes caramelized. Now here I am turning the gas on low flame and also adding the chicken pieces. After adding the pieces, adding some quantity of butter, then I am adding sufficient quantity of salt also. Now stir the whole and mixing it well with the chicken pieces and allows to cook for 5 minutes hardly. Now in the meanwhile I am cutting the tomatoes into half or 1/2. After 5 minutes of cooking the chicken, here in this stage now I am adding the tomatoes, some quantity of butter and stirring the whole very well. After cooking for some time, when the tomatoes become little soft, then I am taking out all the tomatoes from the wok to a plate to remove the shells from the tomato. After removing the shells, then again placing back the tomatoes to the wok. Also adding 2 to 3 slitted green chilies. Then keep stirring and mixing the whole well and allows to cook until the chicken being well boiled. In the meanwhile, here I am taking some whole cumin seeds, some whole coriander seeds, some whole black pepper, 1 big cardamom and 2 small cardamoms. Taking all the masalas in mortar pester or hammam-dista. I am roughly crushing them and keeping them aside. Then cutting some onions, capsicum and also some tomatoes too. Look here, the chicken become well boiled. I am adding some quantity of butter in it and switch the flame off. Now taking a frying pan and placing it on another burner, switch the flame on. Then I am adding little oil and very little quantity of butter. When the butter melts and the oil become heated, then I am adding onion shells, capsicum too. Saute it for 1 minute. Then I am adding the tomatoes too. Now giving a quick stir, I am adding the roughly crushed masala in it and saute the whole for 2 to 3 minutes. then turning off the flame. Now we are done. Our tasty, delicious and yummy karai chicken recipe is ready to be served. Now I am serving it in a bowl. First place the chicken in middle with the gravy, then followed by the sauté vegetables. Best served with fried rice, pulao, chapati, naan, etc. Some important tips to cook chicken karai recipe. Never place a lid while cooking chicken karai recipe. Here, to soften the chicken, I have used butter, but you can use any animal fat too. I have cooked the whole process of making chicken karai will be on low to medium flame. It takes hardly half an hour to cook the dish properly. It is also very healthy to eat as the chicken well boiled on low to medium flame. Very few ingredients and masalas are needed for cooking this recipe, so it's very healthier and at the same time it tastes awesome because of the slow boiling process. If you like the recipe, then do try it at least once at home, as the recipe is very simple, easy, at the same time it is also healthier too. And let me know by comments in comment section below. Today's video is over for the time being, and we'll be coming back shortly with a new cooking video. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all.